Hello everyone, welcome to this math problem where we are given a bar graph and a land surveyor concludes that the land rates, that means the price, have tripled from 1999 to 2000. 1999 to 2000. Oh, it does seems the way. Yeah. But is this valid? No. See that? Nope. It is not a... This is not a valid conclusion. We just need to look at the values. 4025. 4125. The increase is only $100 difference. Alright. So although the height of the bar graphs seems to have tripled, the actual increase is only 4125 minus 4025 equal $100 only, and not triple. Not triple the amount in 1999 when compared to that in 2000. Alright, so the most important thing in this kind of question, we do need to follow the context. So I would need to see some context here and values, obvious values. $100 difference is not tripled, and you do need to tell us the misleading part, the height of the bar graphs is the misleading part, and this is also another misleading part. It does not start from 0. Okay? We have come to the end of this video. If you like this video, please feel free to click on the subscribe button. Mr. Ryan Tan here. Always happy to share with you how to solve math problems.